Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. All right, guys, so we're going to take a look at your task that's going to happen over several days between your synchronous sessions as you're trying to get some information about the prompt you annotated and some information for your essay. So let's take a look here. We are looking at your text set note catchers. So this is what this is going to be called. Like I said, it's going to be split up over a few days. So please make sure on Schoology you're checking that so you know what day things are due, okay? Awesome, so here we go. Our learning target is I can answer the prompt by using the what I see, what I think, and what that is strategy for my selected text. And then my success criteria is if I have at least 5 sets of what I see, what I think, what that is, in each note catcher, okay? So let's look at our directions first. So this says after you've annotated your prompt, your next task is collect evidence for your essay. To do so, you will use a text set. First, click on the text set that matches your prompt. So I'm going to come down here. In resources, I see I have each prompt and then what's called a text set. So let's say that I picked prompt 3. I'm feeling up for the challenge. I'm going to click on this. And then it's going to prompt me to make a copy. That's going to be step 2 up here. Go ahead and make a copy of it, and this will live in your Google Drive. So you have a copy of this now. If you want to highlight, you can. Whatever works best for you. Remember, it'll live in your Google Drive. Oh no, I can't find it. Guess what? You can come back here and make another copy. Like, that's no big deal, okay? Awesome. So then I find my text set. All right, so let's see what else it's asking me to do. Once you have your copy, you'll explore the text set. You will need to select 4 texts total to collect evidence from. You may select any 4 in the set. So let's see what that means. So I'm looking here and I see that there's a whole bunch of things that I can pick from. When I click on here in the table of contents, it's going to take me there. So the first one's called an obstacle. Oh, okay, so this one's a poem. Cool. So that might be one that I want to use or explore as I'm reading. That's cool. When I click on another one, let's see, like Arachne, let's see what that is. So I come down here. Oh, cool. Okay, so this one's like a Greek myth that I could look at if I want to. So there's lots and lots of options. You'll notice at the very top of your table and contents, that there's a ton for you to pick from. Your goal is to pick 4 at this point. So go through and say, okay, I think these 4 are going to help me answer my prompt. Remember that your prompt is right here to remind you, okay? And then the next one, it says when you have selected a text, scroll down to the note catchers below, and you're going to fill out the what I see, what I think, what that is. And I have a separate video teaching you what that looks like and means because I didn't want to get too confusing with what our directions are. So really my goal right now is to say, okay, I know what prompt I picked based on what I annotated. I'm going to open my text set, I'm going to make a copy and start exploring. And then once I'm ready, I'm going to watch this second video here and I can start filling out my charts when I'm ready to do that. All right. I hope this makes sense, guys. Please let me know if you need help, and happy reading.